Welcome. To get started, click the Get Your Report button on our homepage. For a medical surgical center, please select Commercial Buildings. Please provide your first and last name, along with your phone number and email address. We'll use this information to contact you and send you the report. Now, let's gather some details about the building. You can enter either an entity name or the building address. Next, enter the building address and state. Be sure to provide the full address of the property. Please remember to provide the complete address of the building you want the study to be conducted on, not your home address. Please indicate whether this is a purchase or new construction. If you purchased a newly built building, choose Purchase. Select New Construction only if you paid for the construction of the building and have the cost information available. Let us know if this building was part of a 1031 exchange. If this property was purchased through a 1031 exchange, please enter the basis of the property that excludes the 1031 exchange amount. Otherwise, you may proceed to enter your total purchase price as normal. Moving on to the price and size information. Select the year the building was built and the year you purchased it or placed it into service. Enter the purchase price and land value. We cannot provide the land value, so it's best to consult with your tax professional for the correct value to use. It is our understanding that you may use your tax appraiser's website to determine the percentage they use to figure for land and use that same percentage for your current purchase price. However, we highly recommend you speak to your tax professional to confirm any values used within the report. Now, choose the building type. For this walkthrough we will be working on the medical surgical center form. Provide the site square footage, including only the developed land such as the landscaped yard. Do not include wooded areas. Driveways and parking lots may be included. Read the note below the field for guidance. Here is a short video that demonstrates the incorrect and correct methods for measuring the developed site square footage. To replicate your property boundaries, first open Google Earth and locate your building by entering your address. Once you've found your building, use the measuring tool on the left sidebar, represented by a ruler icon. Click on each corner of your property lines to accurately mark your boundaries. The presented example here is incorrect as the boundary lines encompasses natural vegetation situated behind the fence line. We want to exclude any areas that are untouched/unimproved. Here is the correct method of measuring your property lines to only include improved areas. The boundaries do not include the wooded areas behind. This is what you would enter on our website for the total developed site square footage. Enter the building square footage, typically found on the second page of your appraisal. Select the building grade that best represents the condition of your building. Specify the number of stories in your building. Indicate whether you have a sprinkler/irrigation system for the property's site. Moving on to the building info. Please indicate if there is a site monument/pylon sign, and if so, enter the square footage of the sign. Select the exterior wall construction type and the roof covering type. Indicate if there are any fire sprinklers. Indicate if there is an employee kitchen/break room and how many there are in total. Continuing on, specify the break room/kitchen cabinetry and countertops. Enter the number of each appliance you have, based on the total count mentioned in your appraisal. Indicate how many exam/patient pre-op rooms there are and enter how many lab rooms and surgical rooms there are. Now, let's consider the flooring in your building. Allocate percentages for each type of flooring, ensuring they add up to 100%. If you are ready to proceed, you can proceed to check out. After payment, you will automatically receive your report. If you purchased an improvement report, that is separate and will be sent to you by email within 7 business days. We may contact you with questions regarding your improvements. Please make sure to check your emails during this time. Please review all your inputs carefully before submitting, as corrections will incur a $49 fee. Finally, choose whether you'd like to opt for audit defense or not. Thank you for watching. Feel free to email us at info@diycostseg.com for any further questions.